quick win, how you can insert picture in Google Docs. It's very easy. Where you want to put image, just go there. I want to go in here. Okay, I want to have picture in here. And then please go to insert picture button. So in here you have tons of options. Upload from computer, search the web, drive, photos by URL, and or camera. So we're going to search through the internet and find out our good picture and then insert it in here. So that's going to work for us right now. So in here we're going to say, for example, we're going to type in here computer. And once the computer is written down, so we click on it, and now the images should pop up for you. For now, let me select this one and hit insert. Right now, we will have the image in here. And the good thing is you can resize this to any size you want it. So right now it's resized and it's fantastic. When you bring an image to the document, you have these things available like the positioning, okay? And as well, you have image options. We have all of these like inline, wrap text, brick text, behind text, in front of text. We have also so much more, size and rotation, adjustment, all the image options. We're going to talk all about this into the insert manual, so there's no worry. See you there in the class.